amount of butter, no beer, only butter. And so next step will be, yes, we will stir the eggs, 2 eggs, because this will be the dress for our cotoletta. Very, very important. Of course, I have chosen biological eggs. As you know from my previous videos, I'm a big fan of biological products, and you see also my lemon that I have grown and collected today. It's all biological. Okay, so now we will start a real crucial part in this cooking. We will dress this veal steak. So first of all, we will put it into the flour, 00 type. And again, I must point out, this is not the original recipe. The original recipe is without the flour. But nevertheless, I think the flour will add value and make it even more crispy. So we got the flour. Make sure that it's not too much, so there is enough surface to get the egg. So now we will drown it into the 2 eggs. You see, it's just enough, I think, 2 eggs. I will turn around a few times so it can really pick up all of this egg fluid, liquid. We will make sure that the eggs drop down, and now it will take a bath in the breadcrumbs. And again, one more time. Let's see if I can add here a little bit more. And some would already start frying this, but I want it really crispy, and so I will repeat this process. I will drown it again into the eggs, and then again into the breadcrumbs. Okay, like this. Let's see if I can add manually a little bit of these breadcrumbs. So we really want to make it perfect, nice, crispy. Okay, I think this will do the job. So I will put this aside because the fries will still take a little bit of time. I will just add the breadcrumbs now over this plate, and so this will be the cotoletta milanese that we will soon start frying. Okay, my friends, so the cotoletta milanese is now ready to fry. The butter is melted. I will add a little bit of black salt on top. And by the way, this is also called elephant ear. And if you look well on the shape, you may know why. And please do not compare this with Schnitzel, German Schnitzel or Vienna Schnitzel. It's something completely different. It has completely different meat. And so this is quality veal steak. I'll also add some salt on this side. And so we will fry this now on both sides for about 8 minutes. Okay, my friends, it's ready to turn around. You see, it's nice and crispy. And I took it by the bones. And by the way, this is another differentiator. The cotoletta milanese has this bone, while the Vienna Schnitzel or German Schnitzel, they do not have this bone. And when I was saying 8 minutes of frying, it's actually 4 minutes on each side, not 8 minutes on each side. Please remember that. Alright, meanwhile the fries are ready. Wow, look how crispy they are. And yeah, the cotoletta is also ready, so we are ready to prepare the plates. Oh my god, look at this.